Namaste everyone and welcome to Bodhi Shambhala. And today we have for you just very simple sitting positions that you can do in daily basis just to open up your body and get it ready for the day or at the end of the day. There's two variations, the one with props and without it. Use the one that works best for you and I hope you enjoy it. Namaste. So let's begin with Paschimottanasana. Walk the sit bones back and feel the pelvic floor grounded. Grab the strap, flex the foot, and put the strap around the ball of the foot. If you want to, you can separate your feet hip distance apart. Try to lengthen in the spine before you come into the forward bend, and use the strength of your arms to pull the strap. We're going to hold it here for 5 breaths. Try to keep the shoulders away from the ears. And when you're done lengthening the spine, release the posture. Sirsasana. Bend the right knee and place the block under the knee. Then grab the strap and put the strap around the ball of the left foot. Elongate your spine as you inhale, and as you exhale, come down as far as you can, but try to keep your spine long. Hold it here for 5 breaths. Inhale, come on up, and exhale, release the ball. Then switch to the second side. Bend the left knee. Again, put the block under that left knee. And put a strap around the ball of the foot on your right leg. Take a deep inhale. Extend your back. And exhale, try to rest into the pose. And again, hold it here for 5 breaths. Once you're done, release the pose and extend both of your legs. So now we're going to do Marichasana C, modified. Bend the right knee and hug it with the left arm. Take a block and put the block behind you and press it with the right hand. Inhale, lengthening the spine, and exhale, twist. Make sure you keep the opposite leg straight. Flex the foot if you want to, and hold it there for 5 breaths. Once you're done, release the pose, release your leg, and switch to the second side. Bend the left knee, bring the heel as close as you can to the sit bone, and twist. And hold it there. Then release the pose and extend both of your legs. So we're gonna do Navasana. Bend your knees, get your feet on the floor. Keep your back straight, roll the shoulder blades back and extend the arms. And you can do this variation and just engage the abdominal muscles. If you want to move to a second variation, you're going to lift your feet away from the floor and you're going to keep your knees bent. And we're going to make an effort to keep the back straight. And we're gonna hold it here for 5 breaths. Once you're done, you're gonna rest for a moment. You're gonna bring your feet down to the floor, but try to keep the back straight. Then come back up. And again, we're gonna do 5 breaths. And then rest one more time. And finally, let's try it one last time. Try to breathe deeply, inhaling, exhaling. And then when you're done, you're gonna grab the back of the legs and lay down. So now we enter full sequence without props. We're gonna start with Paschimottanasana. Walk the sit bones back and grab your big toes using your first 3 fingers. Elongate your spine first, and then as you exhale, you're gonna come on the forward then. Once you're there, try to roll the shoulder blades back and keep lengthening the spine. Try to feel comfortable in the pose without pushing too hard, but keeping the muscles engaged. And then rest into the posture using the breath. Stay here for 5 breaths, then inhale, lengthening the spine, and exhale, release the pose. And then extend the left leg and bring your hands all the way to the left foot. Inhale, lengthening the spine, and exhale, rest the torso down. Hold it there. You can keep your head straight or you can relax your head down. You can also bind your hands or even try to grab your wrists. We're gonna hold it here for 5 breaths. Every time you inhale, maybe try to lengthen in the spine a little bit more. Every time you exhale, try to rest deeper into the pose. Once you're done, lengthening the spine, inhaling, exhale, release. And we're gonna do the second side. Bend the left knee, bring the heel into your inner groin and grab the right foot. Inhale again, lengthening the spine, and exhale, rest all the way down. You can keep your head up or you can relax your head down. Keep rolling the shoulder blades back and pay attention to the breath. Inhale, lengthening the spine again. Exhale, release. And extend the leg. Modify Marichyasana C. Bend the right knee and bring the right heel as close as you can to the sit bone. And take the opposite arm all the way to the side. Bend the elbow and roll the shoulder blades back. Try to keep the back straight. Point your toes on the left foot and keep the left leg straight. Keep looking back all the way to the opposite shoulder. Then release the pose and switch second side. Bend the left knee and place the right arm around the left leg. Keep the opposite leg straight and point your toes. Extend your back and twist. And hold it there, 5 breaths. Then come back to center and release the pose. Navasana. Bend the knees, extend the arms, shoulder blades back. take your legs up. Try to keep your legs straight, but also try to keep your back straight. Hold it there for 5 breaths. And once you're done with your 5 breaths, you're gonna take a little rest. Bring your feet down, grab your knees, and then come up. Try it again. And hold it here again for 5 breaths. And then again, take a nice rest, coming up. And one last time, Navasana. This time, if you want to try something different, take the arms up. That would be a little bit more challenging. Hold the 5 breaths. And when you're ready, come back down and slowly lay down on your back. And bring your knees up to the chest. Maybe rock to the sides to massage your back. Then bring your feet down to the floor. And we're going to enter Shavasana from here. So you're going to extend the arms to the sides, extend the legs, and we're going to rest here for 5 to 10 minutes.